Come on, Keith. Keith, we're not gonna come with you, bro.
80 hours awake, 38 calls to dispatch, 5 hours out of a jail cell. This is the nightmare these deputies are about to face. When this door opens, the clock starts ticking on a situation that is already past the breaking point.
Come here. Open the door. Let's see this. Damn, bro. Damn. Damn. I should have had you. What is that? Do you point that at us?
Yeah.
Alright, let me know.
Don't you go buy that gun! Don't you go buy it! Don't you go buy it!
Does it look like a gun?
Yeah, it's black.
Black and everything?
Black gun, yeah. Don't you go buy that gun!
In this moment, we are looking at two different worlds colliding. To these deputies, that black object is a death sentence. To Keith, it is the only thing keeping him alive on an imaginary mountain filled with predators. This is the danger of a psychological break. You cannot negotiate with a man who is no longer standing in the same room as you.
Standing in the doorway. He has the slider open. Yes, it's Sergeant Parkmore, Keith. How you doing? Your mom? Where is your mom?
In the hospital where you won't let me contact
Okay.
you. This was 2 days ago. Yes.
Okay.
You got a gun that you get me?
No gun, Keith.
That other dude.
No gun.
Why are you doing?
We're here to talk to you.
I can't.
Talk from here.
Well-
The door open. My dog and cat I threw in my room.
All right, Keith. Can we talk in person so I'm not yelling?
No, I'll talk quietly right here.
You don't want to come to the front house and talk to me?
You guys already tried.
Hey,
Reed,
look.
Listen, can I tell you something? The guy that arrested me.
Okay.
I played dead, dude. You rubbed my family heirlooms as hard as you could into my chest. With a knife on me in case a bear came at me or something. Just try to help myself. Or a nice walking stick. I'd first run up the mountain, first tracks all the way up. I'd be the last one to leave because I had my head like that. So I'm up there on a mountain all day, all night. I would come down in the dark because I had micro spikes. Everybody was like trying to get up something. Because they was doing this.
Keith. Come on, Keith. Keith, we're not gonna come with you, bro.
I got
Keith. Come here. We're not gonna kill you, dude.
I haven't slept in 8 hours.
Okay.
I haven't eaten. You guys
I help you, Keith.
give me a towel and prove
Where's your towels?
We're gonna help you out.
Don't put me in cuffs. You can't put me in cuffs. You already tried to murder me. Please, guys, don't put me in cuffs.
Towels, buddy.
Me and my dog is tired.
Where's your towels
I'm
at?
gonna die.
The adrenaline finally crashed, and 80 hours of no sleep just hit Keith like a wall. He is shifting from a threat to a medical emergency in real time. These deputies see it instantly, trading their tactical edge for a towel and some basic human empathy.
Yeah, I haven't had a little.
Put your hands together.
I'm gonna die.
It's okay. You're okay.
Just in the front, okay?
Just in the front,
Nobody's
okay?
helping me.
Just in the front. I'm gonna help you.
Where are your
Nobody's
towels,
letting
buddy?
me talk to my mom.
Where's your towels at, buddy?
Where are your towels at, buddy? Subject secured.
The weapon Keith McCabe pointed was ultimately identified as a Byrna SD, a compressed air launcher that is deliberately designed to look like a real firearm, but fire non-lethal projectiles. But here is the critical part. For these officers, that distinction did not exist in the 3 seconds they had to make a choice. Legally and tactically, this easily could have been a deadly shooting if any other officer had been behind that badge. Instead, they recognized the signs of a mental health crisis and gambled on patience. This leaves us with a difficult question. Should non-lethal weapons that mimic real ones be allowed when they create these impossible split-second decisions for law enforcement? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you appreciate detailed analysis of bodycam footage like this, consider subscribing to Blue Line Raw. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.